In this video, we just want to see what the graphs of a couple rational functions look like. So we have two basic rational functions. We have f of x equals 1 over x, and we have g of x equals 1 over x squared. And we just want to use either Desmos or the TI-84 graphing calculator to graph them. So I'll go ahead and use Desmos. Keep these functions in mind. F of x equals 1 over x and g of x equals 1 over x squared. So I'll start with f of x equals 1 over x, and I'll put it in as y equals. So I get y equals 1 divided by x. So this is the basic shape of the graph of y equals 1 over x. Notice that x is never equal to 0 because that would make my denominator 0. And we saw in a previous video that you cannot divide by 0. And so your denominator is never equal to 0. So your domain is defined by never letting your denominator equal 0. Let's look at 1 over x squared. That was our g of x. So if I do 1 over x squared, it makes everything positive, because if I square a negative number, I get a positive. So I have the graph in quadrants 1 and 2, and we have what we call a vertical asymptote at x equals 0, and we have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. So the graph never touches the y-axis and the graph never touches the x-axis.